conservative radio shows like yours and everybody just keep throwing it out there, because it really is scary to me how somebody could break the in the news media is willing to say she violated federal law.
Well, I think I've said it repeatedly. So, all right, my friend, I think you mean so-called journalists, and you're quite right.
Mark Levin.
CBS News Update. Hillary Clinton has yet to comment publicly on today's report from the State Department's Inspector General. It says she broke government rules when she used a private email server as Secretary of State. Brian Fallon, the Clinton campaign's press secretary, told CNN she wasn't the only one.
The use of personal email was widespread and done by her predecessors, including Secretary Powell.
In a statement, House Speaker Paul Ryan accuses the nation's former top diplomat of deliberately breaking State Department policy to, quote, serve her own interests.
Security risk. Campaigning in California, Donald Trump simply said it's, quote, not good.
This Clinton supporter isn't bothered by these revelations.
It's possible.
From my understanding, a lot of people do the same thing she did. No one ever knew about it, and now that we're so social media savvy,